We have lots of people today. Thank you so much for coming. So I'm Long Chen. I'm a research scientist at Wayve. Firstly, I'm going to give an introduction of this tutorial about our motivation and its schedule. So our title is End-to-End Autonomy, a new era of self-driving. So our motivation is that last year we saw that both industry and academia are shifting towards end-to-end solution. Especially one milestone is Tesla SFD beta V12, claiming that they're using a single end-to-end neural network to train their driving model. And another milestone is the UniAD paper, one the CVPR best paper. And here's also a very good survey paper about the end-to-end autonomous driving paper, if you would like to have a look. So for today's schedule, we really want to give us like an amazing tutorial about end-to-end driving. So we have lots of sessions today. So firstly, we will have a foundational session. So we have Jamie Shelton, the chief scientist from Wayve. We'll talk about the role to embodied AI, some practical experience from the industrial. And from the academia, we also have Hong Yang Li, assistant professor from Hong Kong University and research scientist at the Open Drive Lab. We'll talk about some critical points about the foundation models to solve end-to-end autonomy. We will have a 20 minutes coffee break in between. The next session is a deep dive sessions with our scientists at Wayve, talking about lots of hands-on experience. Nikhil will talk about the neural simulator, and Gianluca will talk about the world model. And we will have another coffee break for 15 minutes. And then lastly, Oleg will talk about the language meet driving. So lastly, we have Alahi, the head of research AI at Wayve. We'll talk about some of the future direction of end-to-end autonomous driving. So without further ado, please allow me to introduce our first speaker, Jamie Shelton. Jamie is a chief scientist at Wayve, leading the science group building foundational model for embodied AI to enable safe and adaptable autonomous vehicle. Prior to this, he was partner director of science at Microsoft and head of mixed reality AI labs, where he shaped foundational features such as body tracking and hand and eye tracking that enables Kinect and HoloLens 2. Let's welcome Jamie.